Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
When that radar get the beat, better hit your fucking feet. I'm tired of these shitty ass roads, bro. What the f? Alright, y'all boys, and welcome back to the channel. Back with another smooth POV for y'all boys. I'm not sure what the title of this vid gonna be, but right now we are in Atlanta. We got the wide body STOLN cat, you feel me, with the pink eye. Shawty looking sexy per usual. And we go S650 Chris. Clean little Mustang, you feel me? Yeah, man, make sure y'all boys follow the Instagram, make sure y'all boys subscribe. And I ain't gonna do too much talking now. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the ride.
I'm Mr. Icy coated from Methazine. I just turned that Draco fully. This is shit you never seen. But on the Glock break body parts. Switch out the water like Mario Kart. Did that
If y'all boys wanna know a smooth little way to make some side cash, listen up. And I mean like really listen, bro. Put both ears on the screen, you feel me? The secret to how I'm able to pay for tires, gas, everything like that daily is free cash. Free cash is basically a way you can play games on your phone and make money. Who wouldn't want to do that, bro? That's like top 2 combos ever, bro. Playing games and making money, it can't get no better than that. All you gotta do is scan the QR code on the screen or click the first link in the description and you'll start off with $10. Who don't want a free $10, bro? I'm trying to tell you. You could be at school, bored, in the back of the class, playing the game while making money, you feel me, while your teacher yelling at you. Or you could be passenger seat on a road trip, you feel me, still making money on your phone. Now, of course, it ain't no get rich quick money, you feel me, but it's good money to pay for things like gas and daily essentials. It might take a little bit of time to build like a huge payout, but you're gonna be on your phone anyways. You might as well make some money while being on it. But go ahead and scan that QR code to get signed up. Like I said, you get a free $10 using my code or my link. And click that first link in the description. And y'all boys start making some bread, man. It's time to lock in for real. We all gotta be in Cats 2027.
That was not in his bag last week. Nah, no, damn it, I should be on.
Damn, yeah, this shit not wide enough to slide in second gear. I'm over here shifting with the paddle shift. I feel like TJ Stay 1K. Radar get the beep, you better hit your fucking feet, nigga. Who Chris feeling like? What the fuck? Like, why is it like 2 lanes in one, bro? That shit's so ass. Y'all roads is terrible down here, bro. I'm gonna say that in every fucking Atlanta vid game until y'all fix it. God damn, nigga, what the fuck? What the fuck? Who Chris feeling like? And why is the truck on his ass? This nigga Chris tail lights be frying me, bro. Flying in my face. this thing. There's barely any talking being done during this whole thing, bro. This ain't like me. Let me start yapping. We almost at the exit. My hand's starting to cramp, bro. I've been holding the steering wheel too tight. God damn. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Bro, this folk in front of me keep hitting the brake, bro. You gotta get out of the way. Fuck, I think we were supposed to go left. Yep. Good thinking, Chris, good thinking. Dogging the highway.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you to